In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your billing inside Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Next, click on My Purchases at the top menu. Inside your Purchases section, you'll be able to see your current plan and confirm what plan you currently own. With Artistly AI, once a plan is purchased, it's a one-time payment and you own it forever across all plans. So there's usually no ongoing billing management or subscription changes needed. If you decide to buy a new plan in the future, that's when you'll enter your billing details during the checkout process. But other than that, you actually don't need to change anything about your billing details. Also, if you have purchase confirmation email, keep it because it contains your access details and proof of ownership. And that's it. That's basically how you manage your billing in Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.